I'm going to be using my crock pot and then this chicken shredder. I'm sharing with you 5 recipes today using shredded chicken that I make in the crock pot. This chicken shredder, I got it on Amazon. When I got it, I think it was $9.99, but it has been on sale ever since, and it's been anywhere from $5.99 to $7.99. Seriously, the best $10 I have spent. I use this thing multiple times a week. So you just put the chicken in, put the top on, and you just spin a couple times and your chicken comes out so perfectly shredded. It just works so well with the crock pot. So I have been doing a ton of shredded chicken recipes. So I'm gonna be sharing with you 5 really delicious crock pot chicken shredded recipes. They're all so good. Subscribe to my channel if you love chicken as much as we do. We eat chicken all the time. So this is 5 really delicious ways to have some awesome chicken. So let's check them out. So I'm going to make my batch of shredded chicken in my crock pot. This is so easy. You can do 2, 3, or 4 chicken breasts for this. I'm gonna do 3. I'm adding in my Cow Camp. This is a garlic seasonal. This is our favorite seasoning on chicken. So use your favorite chicken seasoning that you like. And that is all you add into the crock pot. Just the chicken and a little bit of seasoning. You can cook this on high for 4 hours or on low for 8 hours, whichever you have time for. And at the end of the day, your chicken is so good. So I'm going to remove the chicken and shred it with my favorite chicken shredder that I always tell you how much use I get out of this. And the chicken just falls apart. So it just fell apart in half, pulling it out of the crock pot. It is so tender and it shreds so easily and so perfect. So you can make as big of a batch of this as you want, depending on how many meals you want to use this for. We love just snacking on this plain as well. So I have been making the shredded chicken about once a week for our meals, and my kids just grabbing a little chicken snack here and there. So shredding this all up and putting it right back into its juices to keep it nice and moist. So I am going to toss it around in that yummy juice that has some of that seasoning in it as well. So the shredded chicken is ready to go, and there are just endless possibilities to use this chicken. So I'm going to share with you 5 that we just absolutely love. So I have my shredded chicken ready to go, and I have made some rice and some broccoli. Our favorite is chicken rice bowls, so you can add your favorite veggie, and then I add this katsu Japanese steak sauce. You can add some sesame seeds as well. So amazing and easy. I have my shredded chicken. I'm going to add in some barbecue sauce. So add in your favorite barbecue sauce. We're going to be making shredded chicken barbecue sandwiches for dinner. So easy. Everyone loves these. So these are a huge hit. I have a side of sweet potatoes. You can do a side salad as well. We've been really into sweet potatoes lately, so we've been doing a lot of sweet potato sides, but so easy. Add on a little shredded cheddar cheese if you'd like. Add on a little bit more barbecue sauce also if you would like. Use your favorite buns, and this is just a really great, easy dinner with your shredded chicken. It doesn't get any easier than some salad, and I prep my salad and chop it up prior to have salads that are very easy to make. Add your favorite ingredients, top with your shredded chicken, and you have a really awesome, easy lunch or dinner, just a really good go-to. Caesar salad is one of my favorite things ever for lunch and dinner, so I just love having chicken shredded and ready to go. My lettuce is always ready to go as well, chopped up in my mason jars. So this is a great way to use that shredded chicken. So I'm going to be doing a protein bowl, and I have seen these all over, and I just had to start making them. So I'm going to use my sweet potato. Like I said, we've been really into sweet potatoes. So I'm going to roast these, and my oven is preheating to 350 degrees. I'm going to spray it with olive oil. Going to add some seasonings as well. I have some Lowry seasoning salt and also some garlic powder, and I'll give these a toss. But so this is going to be a protein bowl with chicken, of course, the shredded chicken from my crock pot, but I'm going to add some hot honey onto this as well. I have just been seeing this all over the internet, tons of reels using this. It's gone quite viral. So it's a cottage cheese, hot honey,
bowl, and I just have it on a plate, but you could add into a bowl, whichever you'd like. Have my avocado. This is super healthy and really good. So this is my hot honey, and I'm gonna drizzle it on, and it is just a really, really great combo with all these ingredients. So I'm gonna get a little bit of everything in the bite here, and it is so, so tasty and such a great way to use the shredded chicken. I'm going to make some sliders. You can use these rolls, or Hawaiian slider rolls work great for this. So I cut it in half. And I have some buffalo wing sauce I'm going to add to my shredded chicken. These sliders are really, really good. You just toss around this buffalo sauce with your shredded chicken, and then I'll add it onto the Hawaiian rolls, or whichever kind of sandwich roll that come in this kind of sheet of rolls. So my oven is preheated to 350 degrees as well. So I have some sliced cheese, and I'm using provolone cheese. So I'm going to do a layer of sliced cheese. And then once these are ready to go, I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 25 minutes. And they just turn out amazing. I'm going to add the tops of these rolls back on. They kind of fell apart a little bit while I was slicing it in half. So they're in a few different pieces, but they are good to go now. I have some melted butter that I'm going to brush on to the tops. I'm going to bake these, like I said, for about 25 minutes at 350, and then they're ready to go. This is such a great way to add a ton of flavor to this shredded chicken. I hope you loved these shredded chicken ideas. They're all so good, and they're all so different. So if you need some new ideas for shredded chicken to mix it up, definitely try out these recipes, and make sure you subscribe to my channel as well for lots of easy recipes, lots of crock pot cooking. So make sure you subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.